At the Worldwide Partner Conference, where you get a chance to see so many different partners and innovation, and in one in particular, SunGard is announcing a great innovative solution that actually is around our high-performance computing platform. And what's so amazing about it is that when you think about the need today in the insurance market and the actuaries who have to do deep analysis on their actuaries, but also there is a tremendous amount of risk and compliance, and these risk and compliance guidelines are critical, and very often they change over time. And so what SunGard is announcing is that they've taken their applications that today sat in silos and bringing them together to run on Microsoft's high-performance computing platform, which will enable thousands and thousands of their users to be able to have access to this application. And the application will help them not only run their actuaries and their data analysis, which is critical, but also allow them to pivot to make sure that they are compliant from a risk standpoint. And as we all know, risk compliance more than ever today is a very important part of doing business, and everyone has to be able to have very clear guidelines on how do you do risk analysis and compliance, and this gives them the comfort level, and they give the customers the comfort level that they have the right analytics and the right line of sight. GXS is another one of our great partners that are announcing their commitment to the Azure platform, and the impact to their business is quite interesting. They're actually taking their trade analytics, which is an existing application, and they're extending it to the cloud, to Azure, to allow customers to actually use it to do more analytics and allow them to be able to leverage not only the fact that they can do the analytics, but it will allow for many of the smaller, medium-sized companies out there to not have to buy expensive hardware. Today, if those companies wanted to do that type of analytics, they would actually have to go out and buy very expensive hardware, software. They'd have to have in-house skill sets. But now, because of the work that GXS is doing and making available to customers, they'll be able to actually have access to this as a service and have all the benefits of a very large company come to small and medium-sized thousands. The iStore Digital Oilfield Express is one of the announcements that we're making today, and it is super exciting. And as you think about it, what's so exciting about it from a company standpoint, and this partner has done a great job of building it on the Azure platform, is that by building it on the Azure platform, they are now enabling and making available the services to thousands and thousands of smaller companies that are in that business, in the oil business. And this opens up so many doors for smaller companies to be able to collaborate and to grow, but also gives smaller companies the opportunity to actually participate and compete because they have access to this technology.